I'm sorry for my long absence, but I'm back now after a month vacation. I want to talk to you about a new built in Mac application called SIPS. And it's not really new, but it's a built in image sizer. And it's used through the command line. So for this video, I'm going to show you how to resize some images using the command line and this program SIPS. So let's get started. So in this large folder named large here on my desktop, you can see I have a few images and I don't know why these all opened. But I'm going to close them. And here's the large folder. And if I preview this, you'd see this. And it's being really slow. But again, these images are really large. It's a funny one of the ship that got stuck in the Suez Canal. And because they are so large, my old Mac is having a difficult time previewing them. Anyway, these are my large images. Now, let's say I want to make them medium size, around 640 pixels. So here's the first way that I'm going to do it. So I'm going to select these images, copy them, and then paste. I'm not sure why it keeps opening all of them, but anyway, I want to paste these 5 right here. So here they've finally been copied over into the medium file. Now we get to open your terminal. And here's mine. Now I'm going to run the SIPS command. But before I run the SIPS command, I have to make sure that I'm in the correct folder. So I'm going to DT because I have an alias. DT desktop. And then I'm going to ls. And there they are, large, medium, and small. So I'm going to cd now I'm going to cd medium. Now I get to run the command finally. I'm going to say SIPS, and I'm going to say -Z, and the capital Z is to keep the image proportionate to the size, so it won't be stretched. Now, capital Z, I'm going to say 640 for medium, and I'm going to add a asterisk and then say .jpg. The asterisk is the wildcard, so it finds all those particular file types. And this is the first command. Sips -z and then the size and then the wildcard and the file type. And then we hit enter. And there you go. It changed them successfully. And if we take one of these files, say get info, you'll see here that it says dimensions 640 by 426. So there you go. Alright, so now I'm going to show you the other way to automate this process, an additional automation. So let's say I'm back in the large folder. So I'm going to say cd or I have to go back to desktop. Okay. Okay. Now cd. There we go. Now I'm going to let's see. I'm going to do a sips -Z again for the dimensions. I'm going to say this time 300. And then the asterisk .jpg. But here's the additional automation. Now I'm going to say out, dash first, dash out, and we're going to say let's see. We're going to just drag this small folder and put it right here. I need a space right here. Now I'm ready to go. I hit enter. There, it was successful. But this time, instead of copying over these large files, it made duplicates of the files, except with the small sizing in this folder. And if we can preview them, here, I'm gonna spacebar, down, and as you can see, they are small size and they open rather quickly. And you can see right here, it says 300 by 207 for the small size. That's an amazing tool on the Mac that comes built into the system itself. So that's pretty awesome. Alright guys, well, that's all I have for this video. Let me know what you guys think. Subscribe, comment, and share. I want to know if you enjoyed this particular automation and would you use it as opposed to using a image application such as Photoshop. Would you use this instead for resizing? Alright guys, I will see you in the next video.